What's up, guys? I'm the Epic Dirt 39, and today I'm playing on Mineplex again. Yeah, and so yeah, it's still Halloween, so they've got it all, you know, redone for Halloween with you know, the pumpkins everywhere, and the skeletons have got their pumpkins on their heads, and yeah. So let's get started on a game. I think this time, though, I'm gonna go with Smash Mobs for the first game. Alright, I'm gonna be Enderman. It's like my favorite kit. Oh no, I'm on fire. Oh no! Oh no! I better jump off the side. Alright, I'm back to life. I'm going down here. Whoa. I think they redid it. Oh, okay. Wait, does that work in the lobby? No. Alright, let's go. I'm really good at this. Well, not really good, but probably my best game. Like, as opposed to survival games and stuff like that. Alright, let's see who I'm up against here. First would be a good idea. Oh. An iron golem. Did someone just throw chicken? No. Oh yeah, it's ink. It's sad. The squiddies. Get back, iron golem! Okay, oh my gosh. Explosive chickens. Explosive chickens. Stop following me. Just stop following me. Ow. Ah! Blink. Got it. No. Alright. Okay, I'm gonna throw logs at you guys. Boop. There you go. There you go. Have some logs. Have some logs. Yeah! Oh man. Hey, get over. Ow! Oh, blink. Oh, I almost went in the lava. Woo! That was close. Nope. Why does this iron golem hate me? I guess iron golems must hate endermans. And squids, too. Or maybe everybody just hates me because I'm so bad at this game. Or maybe it's because I'm so good. They can't stand it. Did he just get struck by lightning? Oh! Ow! Hey, that's not nice. It's not nice to hit people. Okay, I'm out of here. I'm out of here. Oh, why'd I have to go right by the squid? That's not healthy for me. Woo! Oh no! Leave me alone! I'm just an innocent enderman. Gosh, it's the squid. Alright, at least now I'm safely... never mind. Not safely up in the tree anymore. Whew. I need to kill somebody. Yeah! There we go. I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm on my second life now. This could get ugly. Whoa, I just saw a squid fly. It is a flying squid. Wait. If they're over there, then where's the chicken? He's watching me, I know it. Oh yeah, you think you could shoot inks at me? Oh my gosh. Yeah, man? You wanna go? You wanna go? Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Ow. Oh no, I'm suffocating, I gotta get out of here. There you go. I'm not good at this game, so if you ever see me on Mineplex, I'm an easy target. And this just, the fact that I have my shaders and my texture pack on right now just proves I didn't learn anything from last video. There we go, this is safer than what I was doing before. You wanna come? You wanna come? Let's go! Let's go! I'll take you on. I'll take you on. As long as I'm up here. That's right. That's right. Nobody messes with... I can't think of a good nickname for myself. The Epic Dirt. Yeah. That's a good one. Ha! You can't hit me with that while I'm all the way up here. No, you can't. No matter what you think. Yeah, that's right. Okay, I feel like they're teaming up on something. Ow. Hey, dude, that's not nice. You don't hit me. Ow. Get out of here. Get out of here. Oh my gosh. You wanna hit me with your iron hook again? Let's go. Let's do this, man. I'll take you on. Ah. Ooh. Alright, I see how it is. I see it. Get out of here, squid. Yeah, that's what I thought. Oh, explosive chicken. See what I mean? Oh man, I'm on my last life. I gotta be careful. Get away and recover some health. No, stop chasing me. Stop. Ha! Ha! You can't teleport, can you? Can you? Yeah, that's what I thought. That's what I thought. How are you gonna get me now? You can't get up here. Oh, oh man, that was close. Oh. Am I good? Maybe I'll snipe people from up here. Yep. Okay. Well, I can't reach them. Alright. Ah! Okay, well. I feel not safe. Oh my gosh, explosive chickens! I'm telling you guys, they're vicious. Vicious explosive chicken. Is he up there? Oh, he's right there. Hey man, you want some of this? Let's go. Yeah, that's what I thought. Woo! Yeah, it's not gonna work when I'm next to these fences. Woo! Gotta get out of here. Oh, it's the Smash Crystal. Mine is super cool. Super OP. I'm gonna get it. Yeah, I got it. Yeah! Get some! Oh man, what's happening? No! Yeah, get back here, get back here! Come on, dragon, let's get him! Let's get him! Let's get him! He's running, look at him, we got him on the run. Woo! He's about to run out. He's about to run out. Alright, that's it. That's fine. I almost got him. He's almost dead. Look at him, he's so close to being dead. Use dirt, this is my best weapon. Woo. Yeah, you thought you could get rid of me that easy? Nuh-uh. You can't. Alright. Let's take care of this guy. Oh my gosh. Ah! Yeah. Oh no! Ah! That's it. I'm out. Alright, well, thanks for watching, guys. I know this is a pretty short video. But, alright, stay tuned for more stuff on this channel. And I'll see you guys later. Alright, so now we're cooking the iron and gonna get going on the house. So I think I'm gonna just make this a little bit more